Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to change the sold out button color in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the online store button. Just click it. The themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The theme files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.css. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press Enter to add a new line. Next, we'll access the host2b.net website. The link is in the description along with the code we'll use. Simply find the code and click the copy button. Let's click it. The code will be copied. Back in Shopify, paste the code in the blank line. After pasting, you'll see two lines to change the sold out button color. The first line changes the background, the second, the text color. In the first line, you'll find the color code. It starts with a hashtag followed by the color code. Change this to your desired color code. If unsure, visit the host2b.net website. The link is in the comments. Copy it, open the page, and select your color there. You can use the color palette to select any color you want. Simply select the color. It'll show the color code and you can click Copy Color. After copying, go back to Shopify and find the color code. Select the hashtag symbol and the entire code. Delete it and paste the new code from the Host2b site. It'll change to the color you selected. For this example, I'll keep my previous color, but you can use any. Next is the button text color. I've set it to white by default, but you can choose any color. Just change the color name. It's written as white in English. Type the color you want. For example, you can set the color to blue. Just type blue in English. You can set the color to black. You can set the color to yellow. Choose any color you want. Just enter the color name. I'll keep the default as white, which I've already set. Next, go to the top right and click the Save button. Simply click it. After clicking, changes are saved successfully. Now on any sold out product page, you'll see the button color changed. I hope this video helped.